Capstone Simulation, Round 1, Research and Development and Marketing Decisions. Welcome, everyone, to today's Capstone Simulation Strategy Workshop. My name is, your name, and I'll be guiding you step by step through your very first round in the Capstone Simulation. Whether you are new to the game or preparing for an advanced competition, this video will help you confidently navigate the R&D and marketing modules, based on data-driven decisions. Let's get started. 1. Getting oriented, Capstone Simulation Basics. When you log into the Capstone Simulation platform, you'll notice several tabs: Situation Analysis, Capstone Career Decision Modules, R&D, Marketing, Production, Finance, etc. The first two resources are key to informed decisions. Situation Analysis, this was ideally completed prior to Round 1. It includes ideal customer preferences for each segment. Capstone Courier, a report summarizing performance from the previous year, essential for benchmarking. Keep both open throughout your session. 2. Understanding the 5 market segments. Capstone divides the market into 5 segments: traditional, low-end, high-end, performance. Size. Each segment has unique customer buying criteria with weighted importance on age, price, performance, and size, together known as ideal position, MTBF, mean time between failures, or reliability. Understanding these is the foundation of good decisions. 3. Research and Development, R&D, module. Let's begin with R&D, where we update each product's specs. For Team Andrews, our products are Able, traditional Acre, low-end Atom, high-end Aft, performance Agape, size. You can verify segment assignments in the Capstone Courier Production Analysis, page 4. Magnifying glass, tilted right, step by step, updating Able, traditional product, from the Situation Analysis. Traditional customers in Round 1 prefer performance, 5.7 size, 14.3 ideal age, 2 years MTBF, 14,000 to 19,000 in R&D, update, performance, 5.7 size, 14.3 MTBF, 15,000, to reduce material cost. Blue Book key rule: changing performance or size resets product age by 50%. Check. Revision date. Age at revision. Cost of R&D. Ensure the product age at year-end is close to 2.0, the ideal. Warning: pro tip, use the eye icons next to each field for help. Also, check the perceptual map to visualize where your product lies. 4. R&D for other products. Pushpin Atom, high-end, Round 1 preferences, performance, 9.8 reduced to 9.1 size, 10.2 increase to 11.0 MTBF, 20,000 to 25,000 set to 23,000 ideal age, 0, as new as possible. Light bulb goal: adjust inputs to bring the revision date into 2020. If left in 2021, changes won't apply this round. Pushpin Acre, low-end customers care most about price, age, 7 years. Do not change Acre in rounds 1 to 2 to allow it to age appropriately. Update in Round 3. Set MTBF to 13,000, between 12,000 to 17,000, to cut costs, as reliability is only 7% of importance. Pushpin Aft, performance, Round 1 preferences, performance, 10.4 size, 15.3 MTBF, 25,000 increase to 26,000 for competitive edge. Performance customers value reliability most, so invest here. Check revision date, age at revision, and be sure changes apply within the current year. Pushpin Agape, size, preferences, performance, 4.7 size, 9.6 MTBF, 16,000 to 21,000 set to 19,000 ideal age, around 1.5 years. Enter the new specs, recalculate, and check that age and costs remain in target. Don't forget, save your work. After finishing updates for all 5 products, go to File, Update Official Decisions. This ensures your changes are saved in case of disconnection or timeout. Light bulb: always save after a major update. Never rely on draft mode. 5. Marketing module. Now let's shift gears to marketing decisions, the next essential step. In this module, you'll decide price, promo, budget, sales budget, forecasted sales volume. Let's walk through pricing first. 6. Setting the right price. Capstone rule: customer price expectations decrease by 50 cents per year. So if traditional customers wanted $30 to $20 in 2019, they'll want $29.50 to $19.50 in 2020. Let's review by segment. White heavy checkmark able, traditional, importance of price, 23% set price, $28, competitive and within expected range. White heavy checkmark acre, low end, most price sensitive, 53% importance expected range, $24.50 to $14.50. Competitors at $21, set price at $20, not too low to hurt margin. White heavy checkmark atom, high end, price is least important, 9%, expected range, $39.50 to $29.50. Current price, $38, raised to $39.50 to maximize profit. White heavy checkmark aft, performance, moderate importance, 19%, set price, $33, stay steady. White heavy checkmark agape, size. Price is lowest priority, raised to $34, close to top range. Brain tip, always balance competitiveness with profit margin. Don't be a price warrior if it hurts your contribution margin. 7. Promotion and sales budget both affect awareness and accessibility. From the Capstone Guide, promotion budget, awareness, $1.5 million equals optimal spend, no extra benefit beyond this. Set each product to $1,500 sales budget. Accessibility, if only one product in a segment, max benefit equals $3 million. Set to $3,000. Adjust each product accordingly and recalculate. Light bulb reminder, don't overspend due to diminishing returns. 8. Forecasting sales. This section is both art and science. Capstone offers a benchmark prediction, but it's computer-generated and not reliable alone. You must analyze previous year's unit sales from Capstone Courier, adjust based on expected market share changes due to price, age, and R&D shifts. Consider competitor moves. Input your own forecast manually. This will determine gross revenue, contribution margin, promo and sales ROI. Repeat button. Recalculate often. Small changes in price or forecast can greatly impact your total contribution margin. 9. Summary of Round 1 decisions. Let's recap what we've done. White heavy checkmark R&D updated 4 of 5 products, excluding acre. Realigned specs to match Round 1 preferences. Controlled product age and costs. Boosted reliability where strategically justified. White heavy checkmark marketing set price within expectation ranges. Optimized promo and sales budgets. Made cautious but competitive sales forecasts. Backhand index pointing right. And, most importantly, saved our decisions via file update. Official decisions. 10. What's next? In upcoming rounds, you'll deal with production, aligning units with forecast, managing inventory, automation, finance, handling loans, issuing stock, paying dividends, TQM, efficiency improvements, HR, training and recruitment for productivity. But for now, mastering R&D and marketing sets the foundation for long-term competitive advantage. Final tips for Round 1 success. 1. Don't chase market share blindly, profit matters more than volume. 2. Stay within customer preferences, especially age, position, and price. 3. Save often, platform timeouts are common. 4. Trust the courier and situation analysis, they're your best tools. If you're ever stuck or want to explore advanced strategies, review the Capstone Guide, analyze the courier deeply, or ask your instructor or tutor for feedback. Fastest support TO. Get top results $9.99 for CapSim. Email behelp2002@gmail.com. Blog https://capsimguide2021.blogspot.com. Free Excel file for all 8 rounds. Download from blog or send the email. Online quick support Q&A equals WhatsApp equals https://bit.ly/3silp9u. Whole game support equals $50 for 8 rounds equals top results. Thank you for watching this foundational Capstone simulation workshop. I hope this walkthrough gives you the confidence to make strategic, data-backed decisions from your very first round.